हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम M स्वागतिका। वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज मैं आपको इस वीडियो में एवरेज के बारे में बताऊंगी। व्हाट इज़ एवरेज एंड व्हाट आर द प्रॉपर्टीज़। तो वीडियो को लास्ट तक ज़रूर देखिए। वीडियो को स्टार्ट करने से पहले मैं आपको ये बता दूं, अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं तो पहले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। पास पर बेल आइकन पर क्लिक करके ऑल पर क्लिक कर दीजिए। वीडियो को लाइक के साथ साथ शेयर भी कीजिए। तो अब हम क्लास की तरफ चलते हैं। एवरेज। What is average? An average or an arithmetic mean of given data is obtained when the sum of the given observation divided by number of observations. For example, if we have to find out the average of 5, 6 and 7, then the required average will be equal to 5 plus 6 plus 7 by 3 is equal to 18 by 3 equal to 6. Similarly, average of 10, 20, 30 and 40, then the required average will be equal to 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 40 whole divided by 4 is equal to 100 by 4 is equal to 25. Therefore, we can write the formula average A is equal to sum of given observation by number of observations, or A is equal to S by N, where S stand for sum of given observation and N stand for number of observations. Then let's see properties of average. Average of a given data is less than the greatest observation and greater than the smallest observation of the given data. For example, average of 3, 5, 7 and 13 is 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 13 whole divided by 4 is equal to 28 by 4 is equal to 7. 7 is less than 13 and greater than 3. If the observations of given data are equal, then the average will also be the same as observation. For example, average of 5, 5, 5 and 5 will be 5. Because 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 by 4 is equal to 20 by 4 is equal to 5. If 0 is one of the observations of a given data, then 0 will also be included while calculating average. For example, average of 3, 6 and 0 is 3, because 3 plus 6 plus 0 whole divided by 3 is equal to 9 by 3 equal to 3. Thanks for watching.